Alright, I'm movie about Aqua Nationalist TV on YouTube. And now pay the updates of the Ghana Premier League and Emblem. It is a wood now show you for more than subscribe. Or watch you so an album on the no like, you know my comment now I was here. We are bringing the latest from Asante Kotoko, House of Folk, and the happenings of Bofo Akatano. Latest and it's your Mapamomo head coach. We will bring you all this update. Doing self-sin so Kratabia for people GFA. We will bring you all this and other stories, including Hughton, any ministry or more a commodity. So let's just turn around. We come back. So you're welcome back to Nationalist TV on YouTube. Yensham Commander say na yensha free Eyosunyane Bofo Akatano Asweye. And Opaya Rabetu just said Bofo Akatano, the newly promoted Premier League side, after 11 matches in the Premier League, Omoda 6th position, Motinia party ways with their head coach Stephen from Manso, and an assistant coach Sako Castro. Now, and Commodity training in Abacus said the performance of the team so far, they are impressed with it, but some management and technical members only say the rift between the head coach and assistant coach and Shada M. Conkaint and what team and winning race and their last 4 games because on performance they've had just a win and a draw, just 4 points out of 12 points that was Sakano. So looking up to that, it's about time they part ways with Stephen performance and Safo Castro. So the latest story, if you go for Akatano, Evan said, Omona home coach appointing early this season for the 2023-2024 Premier League season. My party ways they are looking out for a new manager. Now I want to fan to also say money coaches experience once they are started 18 command. Me no mudiaba to Bashir here for former Asante Kotoko head coach and former Black Queens. Now seek that's J.E. Sapon, some kind of former drafts and a former Asante Kotoko. Money these 2 managers actually a command. They are hoping say meeting no more in the coming league games now Akano. Enter into December, so obviously they are waiting so many appointing new managers no more and not my year. They are doing no so on my Ministry of Sports as well. Mustafa Yusuf on a consulting on my schedule say next week on mobile because they have some kind of a meeting they have a schedule to do it, and the meeting has been scheduled for next week. So the best thing is you remember the latest update, all because Chris Hughton or Blasters head coach 3 months in some kind of salary, and they need to sit down and solve that issue. Next week by latest by Tuesday they have to meet Chris Hughton and a representative. Now this manager was appointed in March 2023 unveiling of Kumasi Sports Stadium after some money party ways after Qatar 2022 World Cup and this time around close to 9 months, but 3 months the salary now. She's reportedly, and I'm say by confirmed reports Obet will take you $50,000 as a monthly salary. That's a confirmed report I answer Ministry of Sports. But 3 months in some kind of so if you have to multiply $50,000 by 3, you're talking about $150 at the moment in some kind. So ministry and no more up and say by next week, latest by Monday day, we'll meet no more Asiana on our resolve on how to pay a Chris Hughton. MPM will have to focus na latest news that if we have to focus say you see adopt Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium as home venue in the coming days and I say weeks Premier League matches na it's say the National Sports Authority Honorable Peter Chumesi and as a Prof Peter Chumesi down on Etikai Akachomo say they need to shift from Accra Sports Stadium to the Baba Yaras or to their second venue. Now more you say the start season now JF4 no Emma teams the opportunity to choose their home venues and their alternative grounds. So be on the second choice. My cry never say has to folk a second choice. And as almost second home venue we choose to the GF near the Cape Sports Stadium. But as it stands now, if you confirm I say has to folk ever be see a kind Baba Yara Sports Stadium omo ba be share Kumasi Sports Stadium with their arch rivals Asante Kotoko after December 2nd. Then say National Sports Authority Eden Krata Akwa say omo ba be host a music concert wo Accra Sports Stadium in the month of December. Stoneboy mo ka wo nyu mo Shatawale mo Biscuit mo ntino omo ntimi mfa Accra Sports Stadium no high has of folk esan so musica omo je a whole season no it cannot be compared to what the musicians can offer them. So as it stands now no omo the crowd akwa has of folk in December there they don't want to see House of Folk at Accra Sports Stadium. This story no aroused a whole lot of argument. Now and I'm so as I said Peter Chumesi as I granted interview can say I was at GFA any various clubs now omo build no manage Mwankasa own stadium Ghana has said if indeed they want to develop football and based on that now at the moment they only have the choice of giving the venue to a musicians no more concert coming December. So that is it for my Accra Sports Stadium and Kumasi Sports Stadium since House of Folk is now coming to Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium to continue their league games in the 2023-2024 Premier League season. Patrons of Asante Kotoko's National Circus Council me at the Krata Biaba Betua Mountain. That is the latest stories I gathered from Asante Kotoko. Now, more letter on the Betua Mountain say executives of a National Circus Council no or more foul play be any misleading content you are ahead of their national elections. I was no it's about time